Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. In this video I am going to share with you some most common grammatical mistakes that students commit in writing and speaking which results in band reduction. So वो कौन सी गलतियां हैं जो बार बार स्टूडेंट करते हैं? As a tutor I have observed that these are the very common mistakes and most of the students do it. The result is that the band score declines in both speaking and writing. The first and foremost and which is the most common seen by me, जो सबसे ज़्यादा मैंने देखी है वो है related to past indefinite tense. Yesterday he was went to market. So most of the students think that was is compulsory in past indefinite. Okay, was एक past में use होता है, but this is not in the past indefinite. In past indefinite you just use second form of verb, that is went. He went to market. Yesterday he went to market. So we are not going to use was here. He was broke my pen. This is wrong. He broke my pen. And the second most common is related to children. The childrens were playing football. So what they do, they use s. Actually the single is child. Single is child and plural is children. So if we add s with this, then it's wrong. So children were playing football. Similarly, they also write pupils. So pupils is wrong. People were playing football. Like this way we can make that sentence. The next one is regarding present indefinite. He watched TV every day. So it's not a watch here. It should be watches. He watches TV every day. The rule says that when subject is singular, जब subject singular होता है जैसे he, she, it or any single person, तो we have to use first form plus s or es. अगर ऐसा use नहीं करोगे then your sentence is wrong and you will lose your score. Next is government should be spent more money on education. So when we make use of modal should, so in this sentence, this is not a passive voice. This should be written in active voice. इसको active voice में लिखना है. Government should spend. Should be spent is wrong. Government should spend. Should be spent is wrong in the sense, इसका मतलब हो जाएगा सरकार को खर्च करना चाहिए. सरकार को ही खर्च कर देना चाहिए. हमें लिखना है कि सरकार को खर्च करना चाहिए एजुकेशन के ऊपर. तो यहाँ पे ये अगर शुड बी स्पेंट है तो इट मीन्स दैट हम गवर्नमेंट को ही स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. सो दैट विल मेक अ रॉन्ग सेंस ओवर देयर. Okay, the next is many peoples live in villages. So people is no word in English. We have to use people. Many people is already plural. So it should not be, s should not be written over here. That will be the wrong. So many people live in villages. Next big mistake the student makes in case of present continuous tense, or we can say present perfect continuous. For example, he is living in India from 1973. वो भारत में 1973 से रह रहा है. It's not like this. It should be he has been. इसकी जगह कहना चाहिए has been. He has been living in India from, no, it's just since. So he has been living in India since 1973. अगर ये सेंटेंस ऐसे होता he has been living in India 30 years, तो हम लगाते for 30 years. Okay, तो next is I laughed him. मैंने उसे हंसाया. I laughed him. This is wrong. It should be like I made him laugh. I made him laugh. मैंने उसे हंसाया. अगर सेंटेंस होता कि मैं हंसा, I laughed. मैं हंसा, I laughed. मैंने उसे हंसाया, I made him laugh. Similarly, next sentence is also very important. I serviced my car. अगर मैंने अपनी कार की सर्विस खुद की है तो दिस इज़ ओके देन. अगर मैंने अपनी कार की सर्विस करवाई है तो फिर क्या लिखेंगे? I got my car serviced. I got my car serviced. तो अगर मैंने करवाई है किसी से, मैंने अपनी गाड़ी की रिपेयर करवाई है, I got my car repaired. आई विल नॉट राइट दैट आई रिपेयर्ड माई कार, वो तो ये होगा कि मैंने खुद रिपेयर की है. Next sentence is why you do not save money. Mostly students speak in this way, why you do not. So this is wrong. It do should be here after why. Why do you? In interrogative, helping verb do, does comes before subject you. तो do पहले आएगा. Why do you not save money? नेक्स्ट ही वांटेड टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर. ही वांटेड टू बिकेम, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट क्या लिखते थे पास्ट में कि वो बनना चाहता था तो बिकेम लगा देते हैं. तो टू के बाद हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द ही वांटेड टू बिकम, फर्स्ट फॉर्म बिकम ए डॉक्टर, दैट इज करेक्ट. सो व्हाट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, यू विल ऑलवेज टू देन फर्स्ट फॉर्म. टू के बाद हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म का ही इस्तेमाल होगा. नेक्स्ट इज ए कंडीशनल सेंटेंस. इफ़ यू विल वर्क हार्ड यू कैन पास. अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो तुम पास हो सकते हो. तो ये सेंटेंस गलत है. इसमें रॉन्ग क्या है, यहाँ पे विल नहीं आना. इफ़ यू वर्क हार्ड यू कैन पास. ओके, तो ये वाला हिस्सा जो होता है फर्स्ट पार्ट, दैट विल बी प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट. इफ़ यू वर्क हार्ड, दिस इज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट. नेक्स्ट इज to begin with, individuals should not use more oil in cooking. To begin with is an expression that should be separated with comma. So यहाँ पे comma लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जैसे to initiate with, in the beginning, to start with, to commence with. तो जब हम body para 1 शुरू करते हैं तो you need to separate this expression. Similarly आप however, moreover, इनके बाद में आप comma लगाएंगे. Next is government can't reduce air pollution alone. So government is a short form, that is not acceptable. Can't is not acceptable in writing. You need to write full government. You should not write short language or abbreviations here. Government cannot. Or even students write etc like this. So no, you should write etc complete in your essay writing. You are not supposed to use short language or abbreviations. So friends, these are the few mistakes that most of the students commit in writing and speaking, and I hope that this video will help you to improve your common grammar mistakes, and you will be able to get more score in writing and speaking. Thank you for watching this video.